Soar to new heights with the L900 Pro Drone, a cutting-edge 4K professional quadcopter designed for both enthusiasts and aspiring aerial photographers. This advanced foldable drone combines powerful brushless motors, precise GPS positioning, a high-definition dual-camera system, and intelligent flight features to deliver an unparalleled flying and content creation experience. With an impressive 1,200 meters remote control distance, the L900 Pro is your ultimate tool for capturing breathtaking views from above. Stunning 4K HD dual camera system with FPV. The L900 Pro is equipped with a versatile dual camera setup to capture every detail. The main Escape 4K HD wide-angle camera allows for crisp 4096 by 3072p photo resolution and 2048 by 1080p video resolution. Its angle can be remotely adjusted by 90 degrees via the controller, and it boasts a wide 120 degrees viewing angle to encompass expansive scenes. For additional perspectives, a bottom camera captures 640 by 480p photos and 1280 by 720p videos. Experience real-time immersive views through FPV, with figure transmission extending up to 500 to 600 meters, in interference-free conditions, directly to your phone via the 5G Wi-Fi function. Photos and videos can be recorded via both remote control and APP control. Powerful brushless motors and extended flight. The L900 Pro is driven by robust brushless motors, known for their quiet operation, exceptional power, and extended durability. This significantly reduces the likelihood of breakdowns and motor replacements, ensuring a more enjoyable and reliable flight. Powering these motors is a high-capacity 7.4V 2200 mAh intelligent lithium battery, yielding an impressive 28 minutes of maximum flight time, allowing for longer aerial explorations. The drone can be controlled up to 1,000 meters in optimal conditions, giving you vast range for your adventures. Charging the quadcopter battery takes approximately 4 hours. GPS-assisted intelligent flight modes. Navigate the skies with confidence thanks to the L900 Pro's advanced GPS assistance. GPS-assisted flight provides accurate positioning details, crucial for precise control. Never worry about losing your drone with the automatic return to home feature, which activates when the battery is low or the signal is weak, ensuring the drone safely returns to its takeoff point. Further enhancing flight intelligence. Optical flow positioning provides stable fixed-point hovering and easier, steadier indoor shooting. Altitude Hold mode maintains a stable altitude based on air pressure, simplifying shooting. Follow Me mode, the drone autonomously follows and captures you wherever you move, keeping you in the frame for hands-free flying and perfect selfies. Waypoint Flight mode, plan your route by drawing a path on the APP screen, and the drone will automatically follow it. Fixed Point Surround, select a point, and the drone will orbit around it in a perfect circle, creating dynamic cinematic shots. User-friendly design and durable build. Designed for convenience, the L900 Pro features a foldable arm design, making it incredibly compact and easy to carry. When folded, it measures a mere 13 by 10 by 5 centimeters, expanding to 32 by 32 by 5 centimeters when unfolded. Weighing just 214 grams, it's lightweight yet constructed from high-strength and resistant engineering plastics, ensuring excellent durability. Control is intuitive with a 6-axis gyroscope for stable flying, and fun features like gesture photo and video allow you to capture moments with simple hand movements within 1-3 m range. The remote control is powered by a 3.7V 350 mAh lithium battery included. The L900 Pro Drone offers an impressive combination of a high-resolution 4K camera, powerful brushless motors, extended flight capabilities, and a suite of intelligent GPS-assisted flight modes, all within a portable and durable design. It's an excellent choice for anyone looking to step up their drone photography game. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more drone reviews and unboxings.